You can start now.
Moo ba la la la.
She's going to read this book and then you can finish yours.
This is what it says. Moo ba la la la. A cow says moo. A sheep says ba. 3 sane pigs say la la la. No, you say oink.
Finish that sentence. No, you say.
That's not right. This is...
Just read the words, honey.
The pigs say oink all day and night.
Very good.
I kind of need to practice this page. Rhinoceros say snort and snuff. And little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. Some other dogs go bow, wow, wow. And cats and kittens say meow. Out.
You're so serious.
Quack says the duck. A horse says neigh.
Thank you.
Did you see the whole page?
Mm-hmm. Both of them.
It is quiet now. What do you say? This is a movie for you.